Hello everyone, this is part 5 of ASP.NET series lectures. In this lecture we'll see the use of button save, cancel, refresh and reset. How we can use different options, multiple options of save, cancel and refresh and reset of button. Open the project. So first of all we'll see the working of this demo, how the save, cancel, refresh and reset options are working. Enter name, enter address, save. If we want to cancel we can cancel this. So you can see all options are remove, refresh the page, reset the page. If we enter any name, so we can cancel. If we add any name, refresh the page, and even we can reset the page. We can add a different name, reset the page. So we'll see the working of all these buttons with different options: save, cancel, refresh page and reset page. We add a new form. We can give the name of this form as cancel underscore refresh. So we can give the name here as a heading. Al-Aziz and RIZWAN Learning Hub use CSS style equal text align colon center. Even you can give any color as well. Use any other div. Draw a table, 2 rows, 2 columns. So first of all we can give here enter name. The second option is enter address. So we'll add 2 text boxes. Use the toolbox to add the text boxes. So please make sure each text box having its own ID. So according to that ID, these text boxes will work. We can change the ID to txt1. So we can copy paste and again check the properties of this become right now txt2. So ID is automatically changed. We can give another txt address. Add some more rows. We can give some labels. We can increase the size of the labels. Can remove the text property. So copy paste another label. Now add one button. Button also working according to their IDs. So first of all we'll add some more rows. We will add 4 buttons according to our demo. Change the text property of the button to save, and ID we can change to save. BTN save. We can change to BTN cancel. Cancel. Refresh page. Change the ID to BTN refresh. Reset BTN reset. We can give the text property of the button as reset. Save the project. Now we'll create the event handler of all the buttons one by one. All the event handlers are generated. So if you'll see save button, the ID is changed to BTN save, BTN cancel, BTN refresh and BTN reset. First of all, in the save button, we'll do the coding. Label 1 dot text equal txt 1 dot text. So we are right now calling the first text box with the txt1. That's the ID of this first text box. The ID of the second text box, label 2 dot text equal txt address dot text. Now we'll write the code for the cancel, refresh page and reset. The code will be same for all the options. Response dot redirect. So page will be redirected to according to the page name. So we are going to give the page name here. Now you can copy the same code, paste in the other buttons, refresh and for the reset. So we have done the coding for the save button and cancel, refresh and reset. View in browser. Enter name Abdul, enter address UAE, save. You can see the name and the address is saved. If I want to cancel this, I can cancel, and if again I will enter the name, so I can refresh the page. If I will if I will enter the name again, I can reset the page. So that's for today. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.